Hello friends, how are you? I'm Della, designer and digital marketer, and I have been teaching skill courses since 2013. I want to tell you how you can make money with the Microsoft Visio. Generally, when you learn more skills, it helps you get hired faster and provides better job opportunities. You can also be more successful in your work. Therefore, your value increases. However, Microsoft Visio software is particularly useful in a wide range of professions. Therefore, mastering this software can be a great asset for you. If you want to work as a freelancer, you can have a good income with just this skill. First, design a portfolio website for yourself to showcase your sample work and resume. You should complete many sample projects. It is not necessary to take orders. You can do it yourself. For example, go to the company's website in the employee section where names, job titles, and photos are available. Draw their human resources diagram based on that. You can also draw diagrams based on company sales information or decision-making processes, such as establishing a virtual store, setting up a bookstore, and so on. You can draw an infinite number of diagrams, architectural plans, or electrical circuits. This way, you will have a lot of sample work to showcase in your portfolio. You can use Google Sites to create your portfolio, which is completely free. If you don't know how, you can participate in a Google Site course or my web design course. From here on, there are two ways to make money with Microsoft Visio. The first method is to create a LinkedIn page for yourself. Complete your skills and resume there and be sure to include the link to your website. Then start connecting with people and expand your network. Join relevant groups and post educational content about drawing diagrams and your sample work on your page on the groups you have joined. Also, announce that you accept projects to draw various diagrams. But the second method is to join freelance websites. These sites connect skilled individuals with those who need those skills. Join as an expert on these sites and create a good profile for yourself. And you should also include the link to your website there. Well, here I will show you a few of these sites. For example, Upwork is one of the most famous freelance sites. Here in the search section, I searched for Microsoft Visio and it showed me 13 jobs or orders currently registered for drawing flowcharts or diagrams using Microsoft Visio software. You can see the prices they have offered. Some are hourly and some are project-based. Now let's go to the Fiverr site, where I search for Visio. This site operates differently from Upwork. When you need a skill, you find an expert in that field from within the site. This site does not display available projects for me to show you. Only experts are there, which I can show you. And you can also join the sites as an expert and accept projects. It shows you how many experts with Visio skills are members of this site. They have put their resumes and said that they can create any necessary chart or diagram using Microsoft Visio and have stated their prices, whether it's project-based or hourly. Similarly, on the freelancer.com site, you can see people who have the skill of working with Microsoft Visio and earn income through this platform. It's very simple. You can also make money alongside these. There are many other sites like them. I have brought you 3 of the most famous sites and showed you how you can earn income through freelance work using Microsoft Visio. Be sure to send me the diagrams you have created. If you were satisfied with the course, like the video. And if you have any questions, ask in the comments. To view other free tutorials and receive discount links for other courses, subscribe and turn on the notification. Good luck!